Hey everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We're back with a stunning Chanel WOC here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to get straight on and talk you through the features of the bag. We've got a long strap here in leather and chain, as you can see. And I'll turn the bag around so you can see the back. We've got a flat pocket, here, and on the front we've got a flat closure with the CC logo there in gold. If I open the bag up, I'll show you the inside. We've got one main compartment there, which is quite roomy, and we've got 6 card slots there as well, which is really handy. We also have a zip pocket there, which is already open for us, as you can see. And then either side of it, we've got another pocket there, which is leather and fabric on the interior. And we've also got here another pocket. We've got on top here a zip pocket. I'll show you the inside of that so you can see. So this bag has lots and lots of places for storage, which is great. I'm going to talk you through the condition now. So the exterior we've called excellent because, as you can see, the bag is just in excellent condition. I'll show you the back and all the corners too, where you would normally, and the bottom, where you would normally expect to see wear. It doesn't look like it's been used. It's still in great condition. The hardware we have called good, just because there's a few scratches here. I don't know whether it'll pick up on the camera, but there is a couple of scratches. Nothing noticeable at all, but just a couple. And also on the magnetic fasten as well, as you would expect, because the bag has been open and closed. But yeah, just a couple of scuffs there and here as well, whereas the hardware on the zips is still great, and also on the strap it's great as well. Okay, so the interior we've called very good because it's nearly excellent, but there is just a couple of signs of wear. I will open up the pockets for you so you can see where. You see there's a few scratches there. Nothing noticeable again, just a couple there. And inside this pocket there's a little mark there, as you can see, but again, nothing too noticeable. Okay, I will show you what this bag comes with. I'll just pop the bag on. Okay, so we've got a Chanel box here, and I can open it. Okay, inside we've got some Chanel tissue paper and also Chanel ribbon there as well. We've also got a Chanel dust bag there, and we have an authenticity card here. That's the front and the back as well. Also comes with an authenticity certificate there. So that's what it comes with. Size on me for reference. I am a UK 8, 5'3", and it sits in such a lovely place. I'll show you over my shoulder like this as well, because so you can see that also sits in a really lovely place. I think the long strap is great because you can change how you wear it, depending on how you're feeling. And yeah, this bag, I love the black leather because who doesn't need a black bag? So it's just such a stunning bag. So if you would like to shop this bag, go to the link in the description and it should take you straight to this bag on our website. However, if it doesn't take you to this particular bag and it takes you to our general products page, unfortunately that means the bag has sold. But don't worry, because if you go to our request an items page and fill in the little form, if we get a bag like this come in, then you will be one of the first to know. So you can get in there really quickly. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter as well, and when you do, you'll receive a welcome discount code via email. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, join our Armcandy rewards as well if you would like to earn more discounts and prizes. And lastly, if you have any gorgeous bags like this that you'd love to sell with us, go to our sell with us page on the website also, and all the details are on there. So yeah, see you soon with some more Armcandy.